In this lecture, we are going to discuss about resilience of engineering materials. Resilience is a mechanical property of engineering materials that characterizes their ability to absorb energy when subjected to load and then return to their original shape and dimensions once the load is removed. In other words, it measures a material's ability to deform elastically and recover its original form when the applied stress is removed without undergoing permanent deformation or damage. Resilience is an important property for materials used in various engineering applications, especially when the material needs to withstand repeated loading cycles without experiencing permanent deformation or failure. It is closely related to the elastic modulus of material, which describes its stiffness or stability or rigidity. The proof resilience is defined as the maximum energy that can be absorbed without permanent deformation. The modulus of resilience is a parameter used to quantify resilience and is calculated as the area under the stress strain curve in the elastic region of the material's response. In a typical stress strain curve, the elastic region is the linear portion where the material deforms elastically and stress is directly proportional to strain. It can be determined by integrating the stress strain curve from 0 to elastic limit. Its unit is joules per meter cube. Resilience is a key mechanical property that engineers consider when selecting materials for applications where elastic deformation and the ability to absorb and release energy are essential. Materials like steel and certain polymers are often chosen for their high resilience depending on the specific requirements of the application. Thank you.